Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to schedule power on or off on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. In settings, okay, go to schedule power on or off. Okay, tap this. Okay guys, sir, and schedule power on or off, you can see the power on and power off. And okay, you'll have to do is tap the square on the right side of this power on and power off. And okay guys, after you tap or check the power on and off, okay, tap the power on to set the time when the power is on. Okay, the time is 8:30. Okay, you can change it by tap the time, and for my example I set into 10 o'clock. So after that, okay, tap the okay button and repeat. Okay, you can repeat into Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, you can change it by tap the repeat. You can change the day. Okay, you can change into Saturday and Sunday. So you can change it the repeat. Okay, after you set the repeat day, okay, tap the okay button. And okay guys, after you set the power on, okay, tap the done button below. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the power on. Now you can set the power off. Okay, tap the power off. And you can see the time. Okay, you can tap the time to change it. For my example, I change into 7:30. And after you set, tap the okay button. And tap the repeat to change the repeat. Okay, for my example, I set into Saturday and Sunday. And okay guys, tap the okay button. And that's it. After you change or you set the power off, okay, tap the done button below. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully scheduled the power on or off in your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.